Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how the gear system works in Hyundai Creta 2020. So let me start the car first. Since it's a diesel car, you need to press the clutch and start. It is started now. So this is the gear now provided. This is 1.5 liter diesel engine, 6-speed manual transmission. So in this gear now there is a lever in here actually. So to put the reverse gear, you need to hold this lever, move left and towards up. So obviously there is a reverse parking camera will display. So to bring back to neutral, you don't need to hold the lever again. You can just bring back the gear knob to neutral position. And for fast gear, no need to hold the lever. You just go to left and up first, for second, and for third, fourth gear, 5 and 6. To go back to neutral, that's it. Thanks for watching. Do support us. Thank you.